let's try to install Jupyter Notebook using command prompt. For that, in Windows system, you have to go to the search bar and type CMD, that stands for command prompt. The command prompt will open up. Here, first we have to ensure that we have correctly installed Python and pip. So for Python, we will go and type Python -- version. If Python is present, it will show us the version. Great. The next step is to check whether pip is already installed or not. For that, you have to type pip space -- version. If pip is installed, it will give us the version. Okay, pip is also installed. The next is we have to type the command to install Jupyter Notebook. For that, type pip space install space notebook. Enter. So it is downloading the necessary packages. It will take a minute. You can see that it is installing different components of our Jupyter Notebook. After successful installation of Jupyter Notebook, we have to launch Jupyter Notebook from command prompt. For that, you have to type command Jupyter Notebook. Fine. This may arrive. What it is saying is Jupyter is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. This error may arrive if you have environmental variable issue, that is the path is not set for this. So I have a quick fix for this. Let's rewrite the command like python -m notebook. Fine. Let's see if it works. Okay, great. This is the Jupyter Notebook setup, or the first window that you will see. One thing that you have to notice, it is open in the local host. Now let's talk about the entire setup and environment. So this is new. When you will type tab here, you can see these are the different options available. We'll go for Python 3. Okay. The first thing is, as usual, we'll just name it module 1. See the extension IPYNB, the same as we have already seen in our collab. Click on rename. Fine. Let's try to, okay, this is the cell where we will be writing our code. Check whether it is a code cell or not. Here you have three options: code, markdown, and raw. We need to ensure that the cell is the code cell. Then we can type here print parenthesis within double quotes students. And to run this particular code cell, you have three options. Go here and click on this icon, go here, and then you can go and run any specific cell. And the last and the shortcut key for it is Shift Enter. You can see the output here. Let's discuss the tabs. Here, this is the file tab. you can find a bit of similarity between Jupyter Notebook and Google Colab. Here from new, you can go for any new notebook, console, text file, markdown, Python file, anything. If you want to open the previously created file, you can go here. If you want to save the notebook, you can even save using different uh, extensions. If you want to log out of this, if you want to download, there are many other options. Now coming to the edit option, here you can see that we have different options with respect to cut, copy and paste. Then run is one of the most required tab. Here you can see that if you want to run the selected cell, that is shift enter that we just did. Then if you want to run the selected cell and you want to insert a new cell after that, you can go for this. Something like kernel. This is equal to, we have already seen the kernel in Colab. The same thing is here. These are the different setting. You can go and change, like for your text editor setting, the language setting, the theme setting. You can go and change it, like for dark. I can do like this also. If you want to increase the font size, you can go and increase the text editor font size. If you want to decrease, if you want to have a specific theme for it, you can go and try it by yourself. From the next lecture, next video, we'll start working with the variables. Thank you.